Hello guys, this is Nana Girly Misa, and I will be playing Prison Architect. Let's get started. I don't know what to pick and stuff, so I will just be going with the guy, the lobbyist. The lobbyist has friends in the Okay. No, we just want someone to deal with our finances. Fog of War, yes. No forces. Failure conditions, conditions, yes. Gangs, events. I don't know if I want to do gangs or events. We just go with events and weather and temperature. And make it large. No, let's make it small. Yeah. Okay, let's get started then. So basically I like long hallways, and so what I'm going to do is that... Oh. Well, first I gotta build a receptionist room. Yeah, I can put a large jail door there. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, there. Oh shoot. We gotta close this. Okay. To give myself time to build all this stuff. So this can be the storage. We could put a staff door right here. We need to make everything even now, because I like it when it's even. No, how about we just build... No, let's just build a hallway going like this. Put a little staff door here. Or, yeah, there. But, oh. Yeah, just put it there. And then we're going to build... This could be like the little utility room. That there. Make this a little bit larger so we can put the electricity and water there, which I don't know why they put how you could put electricity and water together, because, you know, water and electricity obviously, I don't know, but anyways, this is just a given, but I don't know, I'm just saying. Anywho, we will build a little other thing so that way it has extra security for the prisoners, so that way they don't escape if they try to. Let's see, what can we do next? Yeah, we gotta put a holding cell. Here, let's look at the grants. Let's get that. Okay. So we gotta build a holding cell. So... yeah. Get a little hallway going on. And then this can be the holding cell. And then there, just to help me out a little bit. Oh, okay, we're still planning, but yeah. Anyways, and then we will just keep building a little hallway going this way. Okay. Objects. Yeah, you just... I don't know what I want to do exactly. I'm just, guessing and stuff. See, shower. That can be the shower. Or, you know what? This can be like the yard right here. Yeah, this can be the yard. This whole big thing right here. Okay, that can work. No, that won't work. I don't know. Yard. Yes, no, I don't know. I'm not sure at all, but we could try it at least. Shower can go here. No. Let's put the shower here. Eight by 8. We can make this a little bit smaller. We don't need it that big. Okay, what's next? I should have been pausing that the whole time anyways. Okay, this can be the little kitchen. Oh, you know what? Let's make this the canteen. That would make more sense. Yeah, let's do that. And then, let's see, what's next? So we got holding cell, kitchen, canteen. The yard can be here. Right? No, why don't we put the yard here? I don't know. That doesn't look right. No, we'll just put it here. That's fine. And then later on we can start building cells and stuff right here. We can go up this way, and then around, and then loop around like this, and then like that, and then, yeah. Okay. I always go with concrete. I really like the way the concrete looks. I hope I have enough funds for this. But yeah, I never played it on games before or events, so this should be interesting because we won't know what to expect at all, and that's the fun of it. Now I just gotta wait for me to build all this. Oh wait, I should build a utility. Let's see. Oh, one here. You know, let's just put it in separate rooms. That would be much better. Yeah, that's fine. Put it against the wall like this. So that way it looks more professional. And we're already down to 17,000. Isn't that beautiful? Okay guys, now that all the rooms are placed in stuff, I will place the items now. Gonna put a bunch of benches. Make it look good. Yeah, I don't know what to do with the floor right here. I don't know how to demolish that. I mean, oh, do I just have to do that? Maybe? I don't know. Anyways, I can't figure it out, but that's okay. I'll deal with that later. Okay, tables. Tables for days. Serving table right there. Put a little bin. I'm gonna put up 2 right here. I need a cooker. I'm gonna put 2. And then 2 refrigerators and a sink. And we'll get rid of that. There. Sorry, I'm like sick. Well, yeah. I'm sick. Then we'll just put it all around like this, and then they can be next to each other, so hopefully no one drops the soap. yeah, we gotta. Sorry. Yawns are contagious, but we're just gonna do that so that way it gets electricity and such. Yeah, I gotta put stuff in the holding cell, don't I? So I'm gonna put a couple beds, some toilets, and then I'm going to put a couple of benches. We'll get rid of that bed since I don't need it. We'll just do that. And you know what? I'm going to dismantle that, and get 2 toilets in there. So that way they're not just, okay, how can I explain this? No, when they have their free time and stuff, and they can use the toilet. Okay. So we're gonna put it against the wall like this so that way they can't escape. Just like that. And then we're just gonna put small pipes like this. There, that looks good. Okay. Now I just gotta put a door right here. I don't know why that's doing that. Okay, oh yeah, we gotta put stuff in the reception too. So office desk right there. Put a chair. And then we're gonna put some tables. There we go. I like the way it looks in there. Oh shoot, we gotta build some walls right here. Okay, and then next, we gotta look at our grant. We gotta build 2 offices because I want to start getting money with the warden. Because we need to start advancing our research. So we'll do it through this hallway. I'm pretty sure it needs to be 6 by 6. Oh, let me check. Office. Oh, well, 4 by 4, but then we need to make it 5 by 5. So 5 by 5. Or is it 6 by 6? I don't know, we'll find out. I'm pretty sure it needs to be 6 by 6. So that's fine. That looks terrible like that. I don't like that. Okay, how about we just bulldoze this? Build a wall here. And then we'll just move it over like that. Yeah, that looks a lot better. So far. Bulldoze this. Do that, and then rooms, office. Well, I didn't have to make it that size, but that's fine. Put a chair there, okay. Now that we have all that done, we can put our warden in here. And then next we need finance. So let's get that started. Okay, I don't know what happened to the yard right here. Oh. Yeah, bulldoze this. All of this. Oop. Okay. Alright. That's gonna look a lot better. Oh shoot, we need to put a large pipe where that sink is. What's this hot water pipe? I guess it works like that, maybe? So it makes sense if they got some hot water. For the sink, I suppose. I don't know if it works like that. I've never seen that in the game, to be honest. Oh. We should dismantle all this. Okay, now... Okay, that's gonna be a lot better. Yard. There we go, I fixed it. I fixed everything. I fixed it all. Oh, looks like I forgot to put a small pipe there. Okay, now I'm gonna build another office. Well, you know what? Let's start bringing the prisoners in. And what I need to do is that I need to build a few prison blocks. Hold on. So, 2 by 3. Alrighty. Okay, yeah, 4 by 5. So that's 8 so far. No, we'll just keep making it go up. I think that should be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. Alright, let's get that done. And then before my money runs out, let's get that grant. Perfect. And we're going to put a large cell door right here. That actually looks good so far. I like the way this looks so far. A lot, actually. Let's put a... Okay. Let's do a quick build. I want to do that, but then I don't because... Okay. So let's make one room. Then we could just clone everything. Let's do it like that. Yeah, let's at least put a bookshelf in there because sometimes the prisoners can get really antsy with such things. And then they're not happy at all. So after I build all of this, then... Oh, but definitely what we should do is that we should set up everything here. 1, 2, 3, 4... 9 hours of sleep. I don't even get that much sleep. Then let's do free time. Let's make sure that they eat. Give them a couple hours to eat. Yeah, lock up, definitely. Okay, that should work. It doesn't make sense to put that there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's still 9 hours of sleep. They don't need that much sleep. Let's give them 3 hours of VR. Yeah, let's do that. Then lock up. There. That's good. So they eat twice during the day. And then, yeah. Okay, let's do room, cell. Okay, now that's done. We can clone everything. Which makes things so much easier. And I just realized that I need to put a bed here. And a bookshelf here. Okay. I'm really excited to start this though. It should be fun. Lots of fun. Bunch of utilities. More cells. Okay. Did you just see that? The bed was like huge and then it became super small. We'll just have a small pipe going down like this. Then we'll put that. And then a large pipe, small pipe would go, be going this way. Oh, the prisoners are here. So we got to get this done before they have to go to bed, because if we don't get it done, then there'll be lots of riots, and we do not want that. No bueno. Oh, my phone. My phone. My phone. Oh, I dropped my phone. Okay, but yeah. Let's check these guys out. McDonald. Well, he's got what he used to do still. Smuggled Akon and 18 in a Happy Meal. Oh my god. A bass. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Human penis. Murdering Nazis. Wait, why would he be arrested for killing Nazis? That's actually a good thing that he did. I don't understand. Ooh boy, it's dirty. We need a janitor. Speaking of which, we should probably build one of these. Wait, how big is his? And then we'll put a staff door here. I mean, I could have cloned that, but that's fine. It didn't take me too long to do all that. Then I will hire an accountant. And when they're done, they'll be there. I'm gonna hire 2 more of these guys, just so the process speeds up more. Yeah, that actually helped a lot. Whoa, this is costing me a lot of money. But it should be done at the end of the day, hopefully. Oh my god, hurry up. I'm gonna hire 2 more workers. Okay, there we go. Hurry up! Yep, that's right. I really want to get this done. Look! Look, it did it again! Oh my god, look at that. What kind of glitch is this? It's like a triple, double bed thing. Oh my god. That's so funny. Come on. You're almost done. I believe in you. You can do it. Just make it in time. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it again. Okay. Yay. It's all done. And this is what our prison looks like so far. Oh. Oh, no. I gotta fix that. They just gotta put up that wall. Okay guys, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.